This is a big field of vegetable of Bangladesh. Here we see that a big vegetable garden is covered with net. It is usually a bronze plants. Here a big area is covered with nets because birds usually damages brinjal. Also, it is covered with nets. And on my on my left side here we see that a big field of mustard. Here nice flowers of mustard can be seen, and it is a big field of Bangladesh. There are uh, two calves here. They are here to graze. It's a very nice area. I have come here to enjoy, to pass some time with nature. Here, most of the places are usually used for vegetable cultivation, and now in winter season, the farmers usually use their lands to plant mustard seeds, and now the mustard plants are grown up, so the beautiful flowers is so the beautiful flowers are only few are seen. This area is also covered with mustard plants. The plants is looking very nice. In in Bangla, mustard means shorisha. It's a well. This usually produce a kinds of seeds, and these seeds produce well. It is very familiar to all over the world. The well does the well is audible well. It is very popular well all over the country. This is a big area of also of a plant. I think you can detect. You know the plant. In Bengali, it is called potol. Here we see that there is a flower of potol. The vegetable potol is very favorite to me. It is a nice place of nature. You can come any kind of fields to enjoy yourself who love to pass his time with nature. I think he will come and he will come too close to nature and will pass some time to remove all the oddities and sorrows of his life. Nature is also a part of education. It is a big dead tree. It is a very sunny day. All the areas are covered with green trees, yellow mustard flowers, vegetables areas. It is a big place. In village areas, you can usually see like this very frequently. all the viewers, thank you to give me some time with my video. Okay, goodbye.